Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then again 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. But this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication, division, both have equal priority. Then last priority is addition and subtraction, also both have equal priority. Okay. So according to the rule, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 8 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now here is a one subtraction and here is one multiplication. So according to the rule, first priority is multiplication. Okay. So 8 minus multiply 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Now 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. So the correct answer is minus 4. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.